going to whip up some delicious, healthy quiche. Did I just say healthy and delicious? I sure did, because with a healthier you, it's not about depriving ourselves of the foods that we love most. No, it's about loving the foods that can love us back. Learning how to prepare our foods in a healthy way by eliminating the carbs, Xing out the sugars altogether, and adding all the nutrients, minerals, and natural herbs that serve the body good. So I'm excited to have you here, and above all things, my brothers and sisters, I pray that you prosper in all your ways and be in good health, even as your soul prospers. So let's get started.
There are only 6 basic ingredients I'm using for my quiche: baby spinach, mushrooms, heavy cream, cheese blend, of course, eggs, and you can use broccoli, ham, sausage, onions, whatever you like to personalize your quiche and to make it your very own. I'm using uncured bacon, which isn't processed with all those excessive additives. We'll get started by pre-cooking our bacon. It will continue to cook further in the oven. Set it to the side, drain the excess grease, slice it into smaller strips, and combine it with your spinach and mushrooms. Mix it and saute it together with all of your ingredients. Stir until everything is nicely softened, like this here. And now we can prepare our egg mixture by combining 5 eggs, heavy cream, and cheese into a bowl. And give it a good mixing, honey. Butter your pie dish. I'm using my Kerrygold Pure Irish butter. Go ahead and season to taste. A little sea salt, black pepper, and a dash of onion powder is plenty. Pour your egg mixture over the top like this here. Once your oven has preheated to 375, we can put this baby in for 35 to 45 minutes or until your egg mixture becomes solid and fluffy. And here you have it, baby. Quick and simple. Top it off with a layer of shredded cheese and let it melt on top. And without the crust, baby, it is carblessly delicious. And this wraps up the video, y'all. Thank you for watching, all my lovely people. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Show your girl some love. Also, subscribe and turn on the notification bell if this is your first time watching one of my videos, so you could be notified every time I upload tasty inspirations like this. And for those returning, I appreciate you so much for your continued support for this channel. It's because of you all that I am inspired to create videos like this, so we can all journey together to healthier lifestyles. Healthy lifestyles is a byproduct of healthy nutrition, and healthy nutrition starts in your very own kitchens. Together we can become better stewards over these earthly temples, because your life matters. I invite you to visit my website, carblesslydelicious.com, for more recipes like this. Until next time, my lovely people, God bless you.